It's my favorite time of the month. Is it your favorite time of the month? Stitch Fix time! Stay tuned. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. Take just a moment to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a minute of the content. I do these unboxings regularly. In fact, I'm going to try out every clothing box this year. You don't want to miss that. Who knows what I'll find? But today, I have a Stitch Fix, so let's see what she sent me. Kind of small. Better be something good in here. I look forward to it all month. It's the beginning of the month. I looked forward to it a long time. I looked forward to it since the last time they sent me a box. How about that? All Stitch Fix boxes come with a return envelope, and you can do exchanges for free. And they don't mind a bit. They don't complain. They just let you exchange it. Price list, and usually a little note with some styling suggestions. Let's see what she said. Welcome back for another fix, Michelle. As always, I had a blast styling you and was so happy you loved the shoes from your last fix. I know you're ready for some fun spring pieces, so I first sent you these Pistola Moto skinny pants in an olive color. Tried them with the Mix by 41 gray hoodie and slip-on canvas shoes for a cool casual look. She should have sent me canvas shoes. You could also wear this fun blouse tucked in the front of these pants and flats or booties. You'll also love this dark pink top, yes, from Pink Clover with its front twist detail that is trending and can be worn with jeans or leggings. Take a look at your cool weather wardrobe and let me know what needs a mate, an update, or to be replaced. Please let me know which one was your favorite. Until our next fix, XO Chelsea. Well, hey Chelsea, let's see how you did. Let's start with this. This is almost always jewelry. I do love jewelry. These are adorable. Oh wow, these are so cute. They are hoops, but look at the little glittery, the little, you know, what are these called? Glittery. I mean, is there another word for glitter besides glitter? I love them. Love them. Clothes. I like the colors I'm seeing. I don't like the material of this, although it's pretty cute. I don't know. I just don't like this material. I'm going to try it on. And you're going to tell me what you think, whether I should keep it or not. Right? That's our deal? I do the videos, you say keep it or not, then I keep it or not. Oh man, this is so cute. It's got a little hood. Oh, I love this so much. I mean, there's nothing fancy about it. It's just a t-shirt. It's just a gray t-shirt with long sleeves. That's why I love it. I constantly wear t-shirts. I thought she said pink. Does this look pink to you? This looks purple. She teased me. That's mean. But these are 3/4 sleeves. You know my passion for 3/4 sleeves. Oh, this is just like the one I got the other day. Look at this. How cute is this? Yeah, I pretty much love this and want it. But tell me, does this look pink? I mean, I like purple, so I ain't mad, but it ain't pink either. Look at these! I love them! I want them! Look at this! Oh man, I hope these are my size. Please, please, please let these fit.